So 7th class, let us revise chapter 8, Adobe Flash CS6, right? So my first question is, who developed Flash? Who developed Flash? Yes, Harjeet, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir, Adobe system.
Yeah, the correct answer is Adobe system. Okay. All right. Next I have uses of Flash. What are the uses of Flash? Yes, Akriti, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. It provides an easy way to create the animation that consists of images, sound, videos, and some other effects. And second point, Flash allows you to develop highly interactive websites, computer games, advertisements, and various other online content.
Yeah, it is used to create interactive websites, games, advertisements. Okay, right. All right. Next we have is how to start Adobe Flash. How to start Adobe Flash? Yes, Prerna.
Click on the start, then all programs, then Adobe Flash Professional CS6.
Yeah, first of all, we click on the start. Then we click on all programs. Then we click on Adobe. And finally, we click on Adobe Professional CS6. Right? All right. Then tell me, next question is, how to create new document? Yes, please. Yes, Bhavya, roll number 9, unmute yourself. Bhavya, unmute yourself.
No, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Yeah, how to create the new document?
Click on the click on the file menu. Select
Yeah.
new option.
Okay.
The new dialog box appears.
New
In the
document,
general-
new document
New
dialog box.
document window.
Yeah.
New document dialog box appears. In the general tab, choose Action Script 3.0 and click on OK button.
Very right. Very correct. So what are the steps? We are to click on file menu. We choose the new option. Then new document dialog box appears. Okay. Then in the journal tab, we are to click on Action Script 3.0 and finally click on OK button. Clear to all? All right. So these were the steps we are to find out in order to create the new document button. All right. Fifth is, why you all are raising hand? Please lower down your hand till I ask question. Okay. Next is, what are the various components of Flash window? Yes, Suhana, unmute yourself.
stage, timeline, frames, keyframes, layers, tools panel, properties panel, and playhead.
Okay, so we have here, first of all, we have the stage, then we have frame, then we have playhead, then we have timeline, then we have layers panel. Okay, then we have properties panel, then we have tools panel, and we have layers. Okay, so these are our components of Flash window. Okay, all right, let us discuss them one by one. First, tell me, what is stage? Yes, please. What do you mean by stage? Yes, Harshia.
Yes, sir.
Harshia, what is stage?
Stage is a large white area in the Flash window where we can create graphics or animation.
Yeah, the large white area in the Flash window where you can create graphics, animations. Okay, that is the stage. All right, what is frame? What is frame? Yes, Bhavesh. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. A small rectangular cell on the top of the timeline is
Yeah.
called frame.
Small rectangular cells on the top of timeline. That is the frame. Okay. Next is playhead. What is playhead? Yes, please. Who will tell? Okay, Bani, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
What is playhead?
Playhead indicates the current frame on the stage and it moves from left to right in the timeline.
The current frame on the stage and it moves from left to right. All right. Our next concept is what is keyframe? What is keyframe? Yes, Kanav, unmute yourself. Kanav.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
what-
keyframe are special types of frames through which we can change the properties of an object.
All right, very right. Special type of frame through which we can change the properties of the object. Okay. And what is playhead? Playhead indicates the current frame on the stage that moves from left to right. What is frame? The small rectangular cells on the top of timeline. Okay. Now, my next question is, what are layers? What do you mean by layers? Yes, Akriti, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
What is layers?
Layers are the like multiple film strips, each containing a different image that appears on the stage. They staged on the top of one another.
Layers are the transparent sheets which are stacked on top of each other. Okay, right? All right.
Yes, sir.
Next is, mute yourself, Akriti. Next is, what is properties panel? What is properties panel? Yes, Suhana. Suhana?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Properties panel displays the properties of the selected objects and it is present on the right side of the Flash window.
The panel which is available on the right side of the Flash window and which displays the properties of the selected object, which contains the properties of the selected objects. Okay. All right. My next question is, what is tools panel? Yes, Harjeet, unmute yourself. What is tools panel?
Yes, sir. Tools panel consists of various tools to draw, paint, select, and modify objects in the workspace.
All right. Tools panel consists of various tools. Using those tools, you can draw, paint, and modify the objects. Okay. So I hope all the meanings of all the components are clear to all. Meanings of all the components are clear. All right. Now I have a question. What is the difference between stage and frame? My next question is difference between stage and frame. Yes, who will tell? Difference between stage and frame. Yes, anyone? Okay. Bhavesh, unmute yourself. Bhavesh,
Yes,
yeah,
Yes,
better
sir.
tell me difference in stage and frame.
The large white area in flash window is called stage. A small rectangular cell on the top of the timeline is called frame.
Yeah, stage refers to the large white area where you create your animations and graphics. Okay, and frame refers to the small rectangular cells on the top of the timeline. All right. Okay. Now my next concept with you is 4 sections of tools panel. 4 sections of tools panel. Yes, Prerna. Prerna, unmute yourself.
Tools section, view section,
Yes.
color section, option section.
Yeah. The 4 sections of tools panel are tools section, you have color section, then you have view section, then you have options section. Okay, clear to all? All right. Now I'm speaking one statement. You are to tell which section I am talking about. This section consists of various tools used for drawing and painting. This section consists of various tools used for drawing or painting. Yes, Mishti, unmute yourself.
Sir, tool section.
Tool section, very right, very correct. All right, name the section that consists of tools for application window and zooming. Yes, please. Kashish, unmute yourself. Kashish, unmute yourself. Kashish Bhagat, am I audible to you? Unmute karo khud ko. Okay, Suhana, unmute yourself and tell me.
The view section.
View section, very right. All right, Bani, unmute yourself. Question for you. The section that includes the modifier to select and fill colors.
Sir, color section.
Color section, very right, very correct. Okay. Harshia, unmute yourself. Question for you.
Yes, sir.
This section include various modifiers for the currently selected tools.
Option section.
Options section. Very right, very correct. All right. Now my next question is, you are to set document properties. What are the steps involved in this? Steps to set the document properties. Yes. Yes, Mishti, unmute yourself.
Sir, click on File menu.
File menu.
Choose New option.
Choose new option.
The new document dialog box appears.
New document dialog box appears.
Select the flash file.
Select
Action
the
script 0.
select the desired flash file.
Yes, sir. Action 3.0 in General tab.
Okay, okay. Then
Click on OK button.
okay.
Click on Modify menu.
Okay.
Then Document option.
Document option. All right. Okay.
Or
Wait.
you can press
Wait.
Control plus T.
Mute yourself. Okay. So how we can set the document properties? We can set the document properties. First, we open the document by clicking on File menu and the new option. Then new dialog box, new document dialog box appears. You select the desired flash file, click on OK, then go to Modify menu and choose the document option. If you don't want to go with this command, you can press Control plus J shortcut key. This shortcut key is for opening, setting the document properties. Either go with this command, either you choose the shortcut key. Am I clear up till here? All right. Now, once our document properties dialog box appears, document settings dialog box appears. Tell me the components in that dialog box. Tell me the components of that dialog box. Yes, Harjeet.
Width, height, background color.
Wait. One by one, please. Wait. Okay. First.
Okay. Frame rate.
Beta, start from the beginning.
Width.
Okay.
Height.
Okay.
Background color.
Background color.
Frames per second in frame rate.
Frame rate.
Printer.
Main component. Tell me the main components.
Match.
Ruler units. Okay. Width, height, background color, frame rate, ruler units, or autosave. Okay. This can be there. Then one section is there with the name match. Okay. Clear?
Okay.
All right. Mute yourself. All right. I have one term here. Tell me the full form of it. Yes, please. Prerna.
Frame per second.
It is frame per second. Frame per second. Very right, very correct. All right. What is the default frame rate? What is the default frame rate? Yes. Kashish, unmute yourself. Kashish Bhagat, unmute yourself. Is my voice audible to you, Kashish? Okay, Satvik, you unmute yourself.
24 frame per second.
Yeah, it is 24. The default frame rate is 24. Very right, very correct. All right. Now I have another question. Now I'm going to create one missing block, fill up the missing words or blanks in order to set document properties. Okay. Click on dash menu, choose dash option. Okay. The dash dialog box appears, right? Under dash tab, click on dash, click dash menu, choose the dash option. All right. Who will speak the entire options? Yes. Who will fill it up? Yes, Suhana, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Click on file menu.
Click on file menu. Okay.
Choose new option.
Choose new option. Okay.
The new document dialog box appears.
New document dialog box appears. Okay, done.
Select the flash file ActionScript 3.0.
Under the journal tab, click on ActionScript 3.0. Okay.
Click the modify menu.
Click the modify menu.
Choose document option.
Document option. Very right, very correct. Good. All right. Now we have certain command-based questions. Okay. So my first question is selecting the object. How we can select the object? Yes, Bhavya, unmute yourself.
By pressing V key.
There are two ways. One, you press the V shortcut key. Okay. Or you click the selection tool. You click the selection tool. Okay, clear? Any other way to select the object apart from this method? Yes, Harshia.
Yes, sir. We can simply double click the object to
Yeah.
select it.
Double click the object to select it. Double click the object to select it. All right. Very right. Very correct. My next operation is rotating an object. Rotating an object. Okay. What is the command for rotating the object? Yes, Prerna, unmute yourself.
Click on modify menu, choose transform option, further
Modify
choose rotate
menu.
and skew.
Then choose
Transform option.
transform option. Then further we choose rotate and skew. This is rotate and skew sub option. This is the command via which you can rotate the object. All right. Okay, which tool is used to modify and rotate the object? Which tool is used to modify and rotate the object? Yes, Harshia.
Free transform tool.
Free transform tool. And shortcut key for free transform tool is O. O is the shortcut.
Sir, क्यों है?
Sorry, Q. The shortcut key is Q. Clear? All right. Our next concept is cropping the object. Okay. Okay, tell me the meaning of cropping. एक होता है copying. One thing is copying. One is cropping. What is the difference in cropping and copying? Who will tell? Difference between cropping and copying. In Photoshop, you have done cropping, na? Tell me. Yes, Bhavya, roll number 9, unmute yourself.
By the cropping tool, we can select a required part of the image and we can remove the unwanted part.
Okay. And what is copying? What is copying, bete? Yes, Prerna. Cropping तो हो गया, unwanted part को remove करो और the part which you want you can keep it. What is copying, Prerna?
Sir, copying is used to duplicate the object.
To create the duplicate of the object. Okay, to create the duplicate of the object. All right. How can you copy the object? Yes, who will tell? How can you copy the object? Yes, Suhana.
Yes, sir. Click on edit menu,
Edit menu.
then select copy option.
Select copy option. Any shortcut key?
Control plus C.
Control plus C is the shortcut key of copy. Okay. How we can paste it? How we can paste it? Yes, Harjeet.
Yes, sir. Select paste option from edit menu or
Edit menu. Paste option. Or
shortcut key.
Control plus V. Control plus V. Okay, what is the shortcut key of cut? Cut is Control plus X. Copy Control plus V. Sorry, C. Paste Control plus V. Cut is Control plus X. Okay. What is the shortcut key to open the document settings dialog box?
Control plus J.
Yes, Control plus J. Shortcut key of free transform tool?
Q.
Q. Shortcut key of selection tool?
V.
Very right. Very correct. Okay. Two types of tags. Who will tell? Two types of tags of HTML. Yes, Bhavesh.
Container tag, empty tag.
Container and empty. Okay. Tell me examples of container tag. Who will tell me examples of container tag? Examples of container tag. Yes, Kanav, unmute yourself. Kanav. Kanav Sani. Are you hearing the Kanav?
Sir, image, IMG, BR.
What are you saying? I am asking Kanav, I am asking container tags.
Sir, HTML,
Yes.
head, title,
Yes.
body.
Yes. What else? और कौन से होते हैं कंटेनर टैग्स बताइए?
Sir, TR.
Okay. Table, font, heading element, paragraph, all they are container tags. Okay, mute yourself. Gaurav, are you here in the class? Gaurav, roll number 14, are you here in the class? Okay. Okay. Nishchay Joshi, unmute yourself. Nishchay Joshi, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Bete, what are the examples of empty tags?
Yes, sir. BR,
BR,
HR,
HR.
base,
बेटा बेस टैग छोड़ दो. IMG,
IMG, and link.
लिंक टैग. एक और टैग सुन लो, इनपुट टैग. Input tag is also an empty tag. Okay. Then you have one more tag, list item, LI. List item. This tag is also an empty tag. So these are your examples of empty tags. BR, HR, image, link tag, input tag, and LI, list item tag. They are your empty tags. Okay. Full form of BR. Full form of BR. गौरव आप बताइए, अनम्यूट करो खुद को. गौरव, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. हाँ बेटा बताओ. गौरव, अनम्यूट. Yes, who will tell? BR. Yes, Harjeet.
Sir, break row.
It is not break row, it is break.
Line break.
Okay. Line break or break. Full form of HR.
Heading rule.
Horizontal rule, not heading rule. Horizontal rule. IMG. Yes, Prerna, IMG.
Image.
Image. And LI.
List.
List
Item.
item. List item. Okay. Okay, name 4 structural tags. Name 4 structural tags. Yes, Bhavya, roll number 9. आप बताइए. Bhavya, roll number 9.
HTML,
HTML.
head,
Head.
title,
Title.
body.
Body. These 4 are the structural tags of HTML, or they are also known as basic tags. Basic tags of HTML. Okay. All right. Which symbol is used to enclose the tag? Which symbol are used to enclose the tags? Yes, Suhana, unmute yourself.
Sir, /.
बेटा enclose, enclose. Tag को लिखते कैसे हैं?
Sir, brackets. Angular brackets.
Angular brackets. Angular brackets. Which symbol is used to close the tag? Which symbol is used to close the tag? Yes, Harshia.
/.
Yes, forward slash. It is forward slash. Am I clear up till here, all of you? Okay. 3 attributes of body tag. 3 attributes of body tag. Yes, who will tell? Bani, unmute yourself. You tell me.
Yes, sir.
3 attributes of body tag.
Background, BG color, text.
Background,
A-link.
BG color, text. Yeah. ठीक है? Good. Shabash.